Hello! So today we are going to take a look at a tutorial of how to get LockDown browser onto your computer. So I want to show you where you're going to go and then what you're going to need to do, and trust me, this is going to be really easy. It's going to take you probably less than like 2 or 3 minutes to do this. It's really simple. So right now, this was our original home page that I had. I've switched that up to put up some assignments. So you probably won't see anything like this exactly, but what you are going to see is I'm going to go ahead and put LockDown browser with this icon on our home page. All you have to do is you go here and you're just going to go ahead and click on it, and when you do that, it takes you to this page which allows you to do the installation. Now, one thing that's really important, guys, please don't go and search on the web to find LockDown browser and then use a link you find from there. The only link that will work at Loyola High School is this link that we've been given. So it's really important you only use this installation link. Now, when you click on this, it's super easy. All that's going to happen is you're going to get this particular package that all you need to do is save to your desktop. Once it does that, as you can see, it's going to save. And once it saves that, what we're going to do is it's going to make a zip file for us. And we're going to go over and we're going to open this up. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. It's super easy. All you have to do is go over to the zip file right over here, and you just go ahead and open that up. Okay, and that zip file then is going to generate this package that you see. And if you open up that package, what's going to happen is you're going to see this dialog box that comes up, and all you have to do is just start walking through the steps. So we're going to agree to the license. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and do installation type, so we can kind of like choose where we want to put that. I would just leave that there because it's going to go to your applications folder. Okay, so now I put in my password. I know, you're just like, what was his password? Too late. I don't get that one. Anyway, so this is going to go through the rest of configuration and summary. Once that is closed, all I have to do is go over to my applications folder, and I'm going to go down and hey, look at that. There it is, LockDown browser. So it's all on my computer and it's ready to go. So from here on out, you never need to use computers from the computer chart again. Woo! Okay. Probably going to use it for other things, but at least now you know it's on your computer and you can use it for all the upcoming tests and quizzes that we do. You're all set. So if you have any questions, email me, or I will see you either in class, online on class. We'll see you at some point. Hopefully, though, this was helpful and makes sense to you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.